Home remedies for bad breath. The easiest way to lose friends is having a bad breath. When you see people turning away while you talk to them, keep your palm close to your mouth and inhale the breath you blow out. You will be the best judge. Cause for bad breath. Bad dental hygiene is one of the main reasons of bad breath. When food particles are stuck between tooth cavities, they can smell bad. Gum disease. Gingivitis is also a major cause, and a dentist should be consulted at the earliest. Certain food that contains strong pungent seasoning with onions and garlic cause a bad breath. At times when the mouth has been closed for very long, the bacteria grows and begins to stink. Fasting cause bad breath. Constipation and an upset stomach also cause bad breath. Natural cures for bad breath. Brush teeth 2 to 3 times a day. Massage the gums and the tongue with the toothbrush or use a tongue cleaner. Floss teeth well. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt to a glass of water and gargle with it 3 times a day. Mix a pinch of baking soda to your toothpaste. It keeps away bad breath. Mix half teaspoon salt to 1 teaspoon of mustard oil and massage the gums with this. It tightens the gums and prevents gum disease and keep away bad breath. After eating food that has cheese, onion or garlic, you need to brush or chew a fresh mint. Dilute half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and use as a mouthwash. It is very effective to rid bad breath. Eating an orange, lemon, or grapefruit is an interesting way of fighting bad breath, as the acid in the fruit stops formation of bacteria. Chewing on fresh mint leaves or parsley leaves is one of the best known remedies for bad breath. Drink a cup of unsweetened black tea, as this also removes the mouth bacteria. Carry some spices like cardamoms or cloves and chew on them often.